Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to unlike all your videos on TikTok using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your TikTok app. Okay, now just go ahead and click here at the heart shape button to see all of your liked videos. Okay, so there are two ways to do this. So the first way is to click on the video that you want to delete and click on the heart shape to unlike that video. Okay, and do that in all of your videos. Okay, so the other way to do this is by clicking the three lines at the upper right corner of your screen, and click on settings and privacy. So now I want you to scroll down until you see report a problem. So just go ahead and click on that. Then let's just wait. So I'm not really sure that this will work 100%, okay? Because it really depends on the admins of TikTok app, okay? So now you want to click on follow /like /comments. So click on other. Click on likes. Click on other. So now just go ahead and click on need more help. So here just go ahead and type that, hi, I would like to unlike all of my liked videos. Can you please assist me? So if you want to add more messages, so just go ahead and add that here, or if you want to change this message, just go ahead and do that. Okay, so just go ahead and click on submit. So after you click on submit, you just need to wait for I think a day or two until the TikTok will send you an email. Okay, and TikTok admins will help you to unlike all of your liked videos. So that's it. That is how you unlike all of your liked videos on TikTok. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.